G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. Today we're going to be having a look at why we shouldn't plant a plant like this in a pot hard on the ground without a base underneath it. So we purchased and moved into this property not that long ago, and the previous owners had actually put this fig in a pot on the ground in front of these beautiful windows. Now the view that we have outside of those windows is amazing, and so we want to move this fig, but there is the additional problem of the fact that it shouldn't have been put in a pot hard on the ground without a base in the first place. So let's look at what we might be able to do about that. So one of the problems that this fig has is that the pot that it is in, even if it wasn't sending its roots out into the ground, the pot is way too small for this plant. We need to think in terms of what I would call the rule of thirds. In this instance, that would mean the pot is 1/3 of the entire height. If that was the case here, this fig would probably only be about this high. Now obviously it's a lot higher than that. And so when I move this fig, I'm going to also put it into a new pot that is significantly larger. But moving this fig is going to be a bit problematic because the roots are well into the ground. So let's get them out of the ground first. So before we actually start the moving process, I'm actually going to prune this fig down to probably somewhere around here. Now I'm not sure where it's going to end up ultimately, but I'm going to start at about this point here. So let's lop these sections off the plant. It was really important to prune this plant because in a moment I'm essentially going to prune the root system significantly. The leaves that were here were losing a lot of moisture. Now with the root system being pruned, that means that the plant is not going to be able to replace a lot of that moisture that is lost. So therefore I had to prune the plant in order to reduce the moisture loss. So let's now get this potted plant out of the ground. And you can see very clearly why you should never put a plant like this in a pot directly onto the ground. So you can see here why this should never have been placed on the ground without a base. The root growth that has penetrated the pot is significant. And in fact, this plant would have been receiving most of its water and most of its nutrients through the roots that were in the ground, not in the pot. So now, in order to give this plant the best chance of surviving, I need to make sure that I select a suitable pot for it to go in. To give you an idea, just as a rule of thumb, I mentioned before the rule of thirds. So if I wanted this to be the height of the plant, I'm going to need a pot significantly larger than that. So choose the pot to determine the size of the plant that you ultimately want it to be. I'm actually unsure how this one is going to go because the damage to the roots that I needed to do in order to move it was quite significant. But we'll give it its best chance and we'll find a pot that is more suitable to the size of this plant. But I do hope that what you now can see is why you should never put a plant like a fig or a lily-pilly or any plant really that has those significant root systems, you should never put directly on the ground in a pot without a base underneath, because the root system will seek the moisture in the soil and drive beyond the pot into the soil. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.